cheesecake fruit dip consists of only 3 ingredients. It tastes great with all kinds of fruit, and it is easy enough that you'll be taking it to every party possible. What is up, you guys? It is Karli here, and you are officially cooking with Karli. I am making my absolute favorite fruit dip today, cheesecake fruit dip. It is my favorite for a couple of reasons, namely that it tastes exactly like cheesecake and it doesn't have to touch the oven. Literally, it's like 5 minutes of your time and you're eating cheesecake goodness. Yeah, I know. It's hard to believe, but believe it because it is the truth. All we have to make it is some cream cheese, that is room temperature, some cheesecake pudding mix. All we need is the powder here. Don't mix it up into pudding, just the powder, and some vanilla yogurt. That's it. If you love cheesecake, smash that like button. Smash that like button. That's how you just said it. Smash the like button. Okay, but for real, if you like cheesecake, hit the like button for me. And subscribe with the little notification jingly bell thing. Let's get started. A few tips here. First, we want to combine the powder of our pudding mix and the cream cheese first before we add in the yogurt. We want to make sure it is nice and smooth and not lumpy at all. To make sure it is not lumpy, we are going to very slowly, like almost painfully slowly, add in the pudding mix to this cream cheese in our stand mixer. You can do this with an electric hand mixer thing if that is what you want to do. Not going to tell you how to live your life. Okay, this is half of a brick. Whoa. Half of a brick of cream cheese, so 4 ounces. Definitely use this kind of cream cheese, not like the fluffy, easy to spread on like bagels cream cheese. You want the brick kind. It's going in to my stand mixer. Let's get this moving and get it going, and we're going to slowly add in our pudding mix. All of the pudding mix is into the mixer combined with that cream cheese now. So slowly, a little bit at a time, I'm going to add in this 1 cup of vanilla yogurt until everything is nice and combined. All right, I'm just going to turn up the speed and let this whip for just a couple of minutes until it's all nice and smooth. The time has come. That's it. That's all. That's as easy as it is to make this fruit dip. And it is so good. I could, and maybe do, eat it by the spoonful. It smells like cheesecake. I, off camera, already took a big lick of the spatula I was using. It is so good. It tastes just like cheesecake. I don't know what to tell you. It is so good with strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, all of the things. Apples are great with it too. Let's put this into a bowl here. Wow! Okay, the cheesecake fruit dip is done. Few things to note about this. You do need to keep it in the refrigerator unless you are serving it because there is yogurt and cream cheese in it. So store it in the refrigerator and just serve it with all the fruit. And everybody's going to love this fruit dip. If you love cheesecake, you will love this fruit dip. You may even trick yourself and find yourself thinking that you're eating dessert. not fruit with a dip, which means to me that's one pretty good fruit dip if you're thinking you're eating dessert. This fruit dip has it all. It is sweet, it's creamy, there's only 3 ingredients, and the taste is one that can't be beat. Make yourself some cheesecake fruit dip. So am I allowed to eat this now? Mr. Producer back there? I just want to get a lot because it's like so good. Got it all over myself. So good. It's like putting fresh strawberries on top of your cheesecake. You could like eat this and then a graham cracker, this and a graham cracker, and you'd totally be able to trick your senses. Yeah, this isn't gonna last near as long as it should. This stuff is good. And I'm totally double dipping. Well, guess that means this whole bowl's mine.